As you know, Valve released their Steam Machine recently, which essentially functions as a compact gaming PC with the feel of a console. Valve also released SteamOS for AMD-supported hardware, meaning that you can now turn your own PC into a DIY Steam Machine yourself. So I did. When I was choosing the parts for the PC, I wanted to make sure that the specs would be equivalent to the Steam Machine or better. So here's what I went with. First of all, we have a Ryzen 5 5500 X3D CPU, and then we have a Radeon RX 7600 GPU with 8GB VRAM. I also bought 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512GB M.2 SSD. Of course, we also have our power supply and our fans, and don't worry, I did actually end up moving this bottom fan over to the right for better airflow. You'll just have to excuse the lack of cable management here. It's just one of the compromises you have to make with a compact PC. For the motherboard, I used a Gigabyte B550M Micro ATX board inside a Lian Li A3 small form factor case. I really like the look of the wooden front panel of the case, and also the fact that it has ventilation on literally all sides, which is ideal for airflow when you have a compact case with a bit less room inside. Once all the hardware was in, it was time to turn on the PC and check that it worked, which it did. I then went into the BIOS and enabled a few features like XMP and resizable bar before installing the SteamOS via a bootable USB. After that, all that was left to do was sign into my Steam account, download some games from my library and start playing. And that's it. The SteamOS is so easy to use, and the whole thing literally feels like a hybrid between PC and console gaming. I started playing Baldur's Gate 3 on it, and it's running really well, and I think it looks great. There's no issues so far, so I'm pretty pleased with it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to come and watch me stream on Twitch or check out my VODs on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.